Goodbye, boat. We got some good news, some bad news. Bad news is I cut my hair, for those who don't know. But the good news is I'm going to introduce you guys. Oh my god, I can't even speak English. I'm going to introduce you guys to my new boat. I just sold my other boat. We literally straight traded. The guy saw that I was posting it, and then he knew I was interested in his, and we literally just swapped it. We were both selling for the exact same amount. So yeah, up north right now with the boat. It's stored. I wish I could put it in the water, which I would have done, but it's a huge thunderstorm right now. So let's go see the boat. You guys can see it's pouring right now. It is pouring. This is where my boat is stored. You guys ready to see the new boat? Let's go. Well guys, there she is. My bass boat. Paint has the pearl in it, or the sparkle. I'm just testing if my rods fit on this deck. So this is a 7 foot. We got the trolling motor with all the setups for the trolling motor. This is to move the motor up and down. Captain's deck, a live well. I'm gonna try to make this a rod locker. You still see the pearl. It has all the pearl. Yeah, I got a hummingbird fish finder. Another live well. Got a deck. We got some speakers. Like, look at the center. All fiberglass. The body is in really good shape. If you look underneath the hull, there's nothing. No damages, nothing. So hopefully this rain stops and I can take it out and show the family for the first time. So my bass boat. Yes. Here she is, boys. Paint's a little faded, but she still has pearl in it and sparkle. We got a 90 Mercury, 2 storage compartments. This is a live well. It's a captain's seat. Got the interior. My rod's 7 foot length fit there. We got a hummingbird fish finder. Now let's put this there.
Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up.
Wait a minute, I was told it, back up, back up, back up, but I won't be
And then the 7, I'm gonna act up. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up. Spilling the tea, you stirring the cup. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. And then the 7, I'm gonna act up. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up. Spilling the tea, you stirring the cup. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up.
Hell is you thinking I'm jumping and leaking the Leo S leaking immediately. Show up this evening and wait till you sleeping and wrap you up nice and neat in them sheets. Kicked the door open, I'm scanning for motion. I'm just trying to make all my pockets obese. Don't want the coochie, I just want the Lucci. So me and all of my poochies can eat. Might rob 2 chains for his loose change. Take his boo thing out the PF chains and take him K, get a steak or something. Drop kick yeah in the face or something. Looking at me like I'm opaque or something. Don't I look like Drake or something? Shake a girl, make an earthquake or something. Better tell mankind Undertaker coming.
Back up, back up.
I was told it don't back up. Got me started my
Back up.
but I won't be a
Back up.
Got me tripping. Living life in respect. I might slip out and
Back up.
but I won't be a victim.
And then the 7, I'm gonna act up. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up. Spilling the tea, you stirring the cup. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. And then the 7, I'm gonna act up. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up. Spilling the tea, you stirring the cup. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up. Come from off the top, the flow inside, I got you shot. Come from off the top, you know I be smart to the spot. Come from off the top, the flow is hot, I got you shot. Come from off the top, come from off the top.
Can't keep up, you too slow.
Top.
You just watch, I control.
Top.
I take half, you not whole.
Top.
Got your mind, got your
Here's a
soul.
scenario, I'm in your area, this is your burial, definitely. Turn up your stereo, get this jumping like Mario, now you ain't with me. You it's terrible, I might embarrass you right here in front of your whole family. Sicker than carry on, spitting malaria, hotter than fucking Nigeria. This is the year of the beer, leave it here on the chair so they know we was here. Staring at fear like a deer when the car coming near, in the middle of the road, bit of beer. You don't wanna rock with the man, hands off of the grands, counting up bands while I talk to the fans. Knew I could jam, but the top was the plan, now everybody wanna be friends.
Thank you for breaking the ice on the new boat. Good. Have a good day, buddy. Good night. When you buy your new boat and you can't even drive it. The rain. What do you think about the boat?
It's good, it's nice. Get away from him.
Emilio, poops. Ah, blah, blah, blah. Put him on it. Emilio, you could be a fisherman. You're gonna be a fisherman.
Boy. Nugget's a big boy.
My fisherman. Huge. So high.
Look at that.
It's okay if I think I can just float, I think.
Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Daddy's gonna run you over.
I'm gonna run you over.
Come. Take my hand.
I'm coming. I'm coming. Ah, ah. There she is, the new boat. Flat deck. Let's go fishing. So, once again, I wasn't recording. Hey GoPro, turn on. I guess that means just turn on, don't record. So, another smallmouth. This is probably the best size of the boat of the day. I got a new scale too, we can try it out. Thing works. So 1.12 ounce, 1 pound, 12 ounces. Just to try out that scale. Look at the release. Now I can actually put my whole thing in the water. Oh, the water is hot. Goodbye, buddy. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Another one. Of course. GoPro's off. I catch one. Nice little smallmouth. Swear, ever since I got this boat, they've been getting smaller. It's crazy, baby. Oh, is that a fish? Yeah, that's a fish. Ready? There we go. Another one. Oh, are you kidding me? Well, that was freaking awkward. The tree just fell. Nice. At least I got that on camera. Just look how beautiful this is. I think that means tomorrow's gonna be a good day. To be honest, I'm speechless. I love my boat. I finally have a bass boat. Thanks. I'm on cloud 9 right now. Takes forever to set this thing up. Pardon? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some in there. I always get tangled and I get frustrated and I leave. Yeah, I'm gonna try fishing. I've never fished that thing. A jig? But like, don't you get caught in everything? Yeah, I got like a football jig, swim jig. I can't. Yeah, that's why I like the Whopper Popper, because once they get it, they get stuck. Yo, he's caught. Yeah. Oh, you crazy guy. Oh, how'd you get stuck in here? Check. This guy is probably gonna damage my boat. Got me caught in the buoy. Now let's get my lure out. Take care, buddy. Wow. Jesus. No way. Yeah, I tried.
I got a couple duplicates of them, so.
Oh, sick. You want a Whopper Popper?
What's that?
You want a Whopper Popper?
Somebody was talking about getting one last night.
Yeah, I got a good one. I didn't even use it yet.
I only got the one.
Oh my god. Where is this thing? Yo, try this one. Apparently this is a good color. I don't know. The other ones are like the cheap ones. So there's no arrow, and you can't put an
There's
arrow?
an arrow, I just can't. It doesn't move.
Oh. Oh.
I thought about fixing it, but I got used to it, so I don't even care anymore. Really, eh? That's crazy. I never
Yo.
would have thought they'd hit that in this
Yo,
thing.
this
Thanks,
thing
dude.
works, man. That's why I can't put it down.
That's nice. Yeah, I'm gonna give that a shot for sure.
Oh, wow, those are sick. Thank you.
Alright. They, honestly, when I first started fishing here, that's all I used.
Yeah?
That's literally the only lure I used.
So these are the ones you just go?
Yeah, just jerk them. When you jerk them on a slack line. There's more action in them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sick. Yo, let me know how that goes. Yo, early
Sure,
morning.
man. I appreciate that.
Yo, but I've caught that like in the afternoon. That's why I can't put it down. It's weird.
Well, it's just, I don't know, like it's weird, eh? Because it's like a combination between a torpedo, a buzzbait.
Yo, man, I never used to like top water because I just used to throw frogs. And I have like explosions, but nothing. Yo, that thing,
awesome.
yo, they get stuck.
Yeah.
And you get stuck. Look
I
at that.
bet.
Yeah, we'll go one day if you want. You let me know. I
won't be back up, like I say, probably won't be back up here till the end of August. Which
Oh,
sucks,
wow.
but I got a week vacation.
Nice.
Sue, monster fish up there, but I'll send you some pictures.
Yeah.
Go up.
Good luck.
Yeah, you too, man. I'll see you around.
Later. What a disaster. Just saw a smallmouth follow this lure. So this is a follow-up bait. It's pretty big. Oh, he's going for it. He's going for it. He has it. He has it. He has it. He's right there in his mouth. Does he have it good enough? Yo, oh, my line broke. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? Oh, he had it in his mouth. Oh my God. And I seen him take it.